this video, we have explained all the details about this hotel, location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is by attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel